We just arrived at Kershaw-Ryan, and how cool is this? The ranger knew who we were. He follows us on social media. Awesome!
One of the reasons we love Kershaw-Ryan is because they have really nice bathroom and shower facilities. They're very big, they're very clean, and that's pretty nice after a day of hiking. And they even have a little free book exchange, which is cool if you want to do a little reading on your camping trip.
Well, we're back at Kershaw-Ryan. We have the whole place to ourselves. We've been up here for a couple of hours in the back, enjoying the shade and the water, watching the birds and the squirrels. There's a kiddie wading pool right here that we've been hanging out in. And right behind me is the waterfall. Well, a little one anyways. Lots of birds back there. Pretty nice. Lizard. 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 Come on, you can't have it. All the grapes. Look at all the grapes.
You guys hungry? Not. I'm gonna take that as a yes.
Okay, I'm gonna make the hole and stuff the cheese in.
Tell everybody at home what you're doing.
Does that feel big enough? I think it feels big enough. I'm stuffing.
What are we trying for the first time on our camping trip?
These are sharp cheddar cheese sticks, and this is an onion balm, and it's got meat mixture inside of it with spices and herbs, and I just put the cheese in the middle because that was like an afterthought. I'm gonna seal it up. It's got onion on the outside, and then they're wrapped in foil, kind of like a foil packet, and they're gonna go on the grill. These are gonna be delicious.
Now, where are we right now for the 5th time?
Back in our happy place at Kershaw-Ryan. This is our Hucklebuck dinner ambiance lighting, made with these collapsible water bags that I bought last year. We have 4 of them and we use them regularly. And since they were sitting as table weights to hold down the tablecloth today, it was a little breezy. I went inside and I got our emergency light discs, and these were a great purchase. They come 3 in a set, and they have different lighting choices. They are emergency lights, however, they have built-in flashlight if you cycle through all the cool.
Yeah, they have like 7 or 8 different settings.
Right? They're all red till you get to the last one, but there is a solid red if we wanted the red ambiance, or just the regular flashlight.
Yeah.
And I read somewhere a long time ago as a camping hack that if you put a light underneath a gallon jug of water, that it lights up.
It does.
So that's what I did. And it works good. And we have 3 of them on the table. If you pan around, you can see the other 2. And by the way, your bombs are smelling delicious. I think we should go check them.
Yeah, those onion burger bombs.
I think I called them onion bombs by accident. They're gonna be the bomb though. Time to dump. Get her done.